So hello guys, good morning. So it's Monday morning. It's me, Yana, Diana, Dang, or whatever you wanna call me. So it's Monday and it's Manic Monday. Okay, so there's a lot of things that I have to do, and there's a lot of laundry list that I have to complete within today. And yeah, I'm just showing off my nails. Aren't they pretty? Okay, but that's not the point of this video. Okay, so try to join me as I try to finish this day realistically. Okay, so masyado akong madaming tasks today. Masyado akong busy. So, join me kung gusto nyong mas stress kasama ka. Okay? Come on, let's get up. Bye!
Good morning.
Naday!
Ikaw nga,
Valentine's. Very good. Valentine's. Valentine's. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. By the way, please remind me to contact my derma kasi wala na akong skincare and anything. So, I need to contact my derma. Kasi we don't want to break out, no? Kasi sobrang hirap po ayusin pag nag-break out. So, sobrang late na ako. Supposed to be meeting at exactly 9 o'clock at school. And then I'm 2 hours away from school. It's okay. That's life. It's okay, Yana. It's okay. Okay, so, huwag kakalimutan mag-skincare. Kasi nag-makeup ako kahapon. So, kailangan talagang matanggal yung excess makeup. See? Yung excess makeup na meron ako kahapon. Kasi nga, I did my makeup, diba? Fuck, ba't ako na late? Hindi naman ako natulog. Tapos, wala din naman akong ganun ka-productive na nagawa. My God! Why am I like this? Can you please answer? Why am I like this, guys? Okay, so mabilis lang talaga to. Oh my God, shit. So, we don't want to break out po. Shit, nagmaganda pa kasi ako. Oh my God, malilate ako. Pero feeling ko naman, malilate talaga ako. What if paunahin ko na lang sila? Kasi nga late naman ako, no? Mindset ba? Kasi ano pang magagawa ng pagmamadali ko? Eh, di ba late na nga ako? So, I think, paunahin ko na lang sila, no? Tapos mag-paperma na lang ako dun. Since marami akong gagawin ngayon. Shit. Hindi ka dapat natataranta, Yana. It's okay, Yana. Hindi ka dapat natataranta. Takti talaga. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dab-dab lang daw, sabi. Pero grabe ang coverage, ha. Grabe ang coverage nito, sis, ha. Ang gusto ko, sobrang late na ako sa Kasi hindi pa blended. Wow. Ang gusto ko talaga. Ang gusto ko nakikita sa Final touch na mga badeng. Fuck. I think okay naman siya, no? Opo, kasi wala magre-reklamo. Na pangat ang makeup ko today. Kasi wala kayong karapatan. I look pretty, right? Bawal tumanggi. Magagalit si Lord. I look pretty. Bawal tumanggi kasi magagalit si Lord. Okay. Okay. So I guess eyeglasses. Okay. The eyeglasses ruins the makeup, okay? So let's remove it first.
Let's go. Bye-bye. Bye.
Well, at least maganda ako, diba? So, kung malilate man ako, guys, sorry na. At least maganda ako. Okay? Fuck, I forgot my thesis. What the fuck? Sobra kasing nagbamaganda. Pwede po bang wag ako tingnan ng mga college instructors kasi hindi po ako college student. Graduate student po ako. Wala po akong nilalabag na student code of conduct. Okay. Okay po ako. Please. Please, please, okay po ako. Promise. Sana kaya yung mga kaibigan ko? Sobrang mukha na akong GGSS dito. Kakaintay sa kanila. Opo. Naman, kaya sila nakatingin kasi nga sobrang kulay ng buhay ko. Mukha akong sunset at this point of time. Pero wala naman ako magagawa. Guys, nasa na ba kayo? Oh my God. Kaya ako nauna eh.
A day in the life of? A day in the life of pikon na, pikon na mga grad students.
Gigil na MSP. Mga buwakan. Sayang din yung kita nila. Oo, gawa na ganyan.
Hindi, tsaka nung nag-divisoria kami.
Hi! Grabe.
Paano yung stress?
So again, let's just do some skincare. Oh! Ang galing yung nails ko. And one Soldier fell off. Tanggal siya. It's been a long day. So our skin deserves care. I look terribly tired. Still look cute. Right. This is ceramide. Doon ako nakatingin. It's supposed to be there. Sorry. Not really into vlogging. Today will be a busy day for my work. So let's get okay. Let's work. Work. Let's go. There's a cat with a flower. Night shift hanggang mamatay. It's okay. Okay lang. Mga 3 out of 10. Hindi ko siya gusto, pero pwede na.